Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install DeepSeek AI on your iPhone. So to install it, you want to go ahead and open up your App Store. Here you're searching for DeepSeek AI. Now this is what the app looks like. Tap on that. Now to install this app, go ahead and tap on Get. Go ahead and enter in your Apple credentials. This will now download DeepSeek AI Assistant to your iPhone. Go ahead and open it. And now you've successfully installed the DeepSeek AI Assistant on your iPhone. So there you go, guys. That is how to download the DeepSeek AI Assistant on your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.